kill today on the YouTube channel. Oh, hell yeah.
Well, the day has come, everybody. It's been a long time coming. We're about to tear into the old Suzuki and see the damage that happened up north. Little background on this quad. This quad was a Craigslist find 7 years ago. I got it. I'll insert some pictures right here. What it is it's a Suzuki 230. It's called an LT 230 GE. And it's a shaft driven, it was their utility quad back in the day. But I turned it into more of a mud running chaos vehicle because it's all we had. So it's given us 7 years of awesomeness. And finally something happened to the shaft.
And it brought many tears.
And I'm pretty sure this is what happened to the shaft. Now we're back here today. We are actually going to tear apart the shaft here, which we're going to have to take the wheels off and all that jazz. We're going to get in there and take a look at her, and we're going to find out just what broke. And if it's easy to fix, then I am going to give this thing a complete makeover. We're going to pull that engine off. We're going to fix the timing chain. We're going to put a new exhaust on it. We're going to do some custom stuff up front here. It's going to get a whole new life because it's a beast and I love it. So we're going after this.
My best friend. Out and repaint her and re-stick her.
Ready to see the carnage.
Oh Lord, have mercy, oh Lord.
This is either gonna be really good or really bad, one or the other. Or it's not gonna come off. I don't know. She's on there.
There she goes. She's coming. I seen her move at the back. Go ahead and give her some wicks from underneath. Oh, what's that? The reverse cable?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah. I say because that's what's in your swing way.
Okay. It's coming off now.
What kind of nasty messes are we gonna expose? What secrets lie inside?
Ooh, secrets. Something's broke, and we're gonna find out what it is.
Oh, look at that badass drive gear.
Well, that's promising, right?
Oh, what's this? Is that just from you taking that cover off? See that metal flake in there?
Did you hear that? I heard that.
I heard some.
She's dripping a little bit here. Hold on a second. Get that mix there. And nothing really looks majorly wrong. There is a little scoring on this gear right here. And I'm wondering what the heck happened. Because the other gear looks fine too.
Well, if it's got a U-joint.
Huh. So we're going to play with it and rotate it. Huh. I think we found the culprit here. So we're going to go in and check it out.
Want me to give her a wiggle?
Yeah, give her a little wiggle there. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. Yep, that drive shaft is broke. Definitely looks broke right there. So we're going to be pulling all this off to get in there and take a good look at it. So we're in the process of removing the entire rear differential in order to get that axle out. So I'm too lazy to go read the manual. So we figured, but you know, it's all got to come off there anyway. So
Clean her up and give her some good love.
yeah.
Might want to undo the brake actuator.
Take that
Push-
off.
push
The
her
brake
out the
that
way.
never worked. Well, right there's the culprit. The yoke broke on the U. So this is the end of the drive shaft going into the rear differential or secondary drive. And you can see it right here. She snapped right off. And that was the Parker on the old Souk. But we will get a new part and put it back together. Ride again.
Right again, right on, right. Right on.
Y'all, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because without you,
We ain't nothing.
we ain't nothing. Yo, Billy, oh, hell yeah! Oh, hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh, hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!